What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town.
Do you like your town?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Why do you study English?
I want to travel.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to go to England.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat toast and egg.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
What do you do in the morning?
I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read a book.
Do you help with housework?
Yes, I help clean the kitchen.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet my friends.
Do you go to the gym?
No, but I exercise at home.
How long is the bus ride?
It is 20 minutes.
What do you do at school?
I study English and math.
Do you like math?
No, it is difficult.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk and play games.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play every weekend.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
Do you watch soccer on TV?
Yes, I watch big games.
What is your favorite team?
My favorite team is Barcelona.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
What games do you like?
I like adventure and sports games.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
What games do you like?
I like adventure and sports games.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you prefer movies or TV shows?
I prefer movies.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you prefer movies or TV shows?
I prefer movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I played the guitar.
How long have you played the guitar?
I have played for 2 years.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your brother older or younger?
He is younger.
What does your brother like to do?
He likes to play video games.
Do you have a big family?
No, my family is small.
Do you visit your relatives often?
Yes, I visit them on holidays.
Does your family have any traditions?
Yes, we have a big dinner on Sundays.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, family time is important to me.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs too.
Is your house big or small?
It is a small house.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 5 rooms.
What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I do not like spicy food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta and rice.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I like trying new dishes.
What is a food you want to try?
I want to try sushi.
Do you want to study more languages?
Yes, I want to learn Spanish.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to travel the world.
Do you have any plans for next year?
Yes, I want to visit another country.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat fruits and vegetables.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Why do you want to be a teacher?
I like helping people.
Do you want to live in another country?
Yes, I want to live in the USA.
Do you think English will help you?
Yes, English is very useful.
Are you happy learning English?
Yes, I am very happy.